In Korean, you've been told these two vowels sound the same. That's actually not true. I'm Korean high school Korean language teacher with a decade of experience, and I'll be going over the two vowels that most beginners find confusing using my Korean alphabet flashcard. Starting with this vowel, you have to make this vowel from the ah position, the first vowel I have in my card. So from ah all the way down, your tongue is all the way pressed down. When we're transcribing English sounds that has a tense a vowel as an apple, we use this vowel. This vowel, you actually start from the position. So you see my tongue sticking out to resting almost the lower teeth, resting in the middle. So this is less tense than the other one. This vowel is used to record English words that begin with the E, like Elizabeth, EXO, lemonade, etc. This flashcard I would recommend if you really want to sound like a native in terms of pronunciation, but if you want to apply concepts immediately and be able to say things as you travel to Korea, I would recommend Survival Korean. Get the bundle, is the best deal ever. And it has the Hangul chat, as you can see, all in single glance, and then everyday themes into categorized, color-coded, sequence learning. It's really cool. Bite-sized learning at your fingertips.